Let's be real. Most people wake up like NPCs, rolling out of bed, grabbing their phone, scrolling through nonsense before they even brush their teeth. And then they wonder why their life is a mess. If your morning is chaotic, your life is chaotic, period. But if you start your day like this, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. So listen up, because the way you wake up determines everything. Step 1. Win the first decision of the day. The first thing you do in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. And for most people, that first decision is weak, hitting snooze, rolling over, and procrastinating on life before they even start. But successful people, they get up immediately. No negotiations, no 5 more minutes. The small habits you build create momentum in every part of your life. If you can't even win the first battle of the day, getting out of bed, you're setting yourself up to lose the rest of it. And that's exactly why you need step 2. The 5-second rule. Struggling to get up right away? That's normal. Your brain is wired to keep you comfortable. But here's a hack, a 5-second rule. The moment your alarm goes off, count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Don't think, don't negotiate, just move. Because the second you hesitate, your brain will talk you out of it. Beat your brain before it beats you. Now that you're up, it's time for step 3, or else you'll slip back into laziness. Step 3, move before your mind wakes up. Most people wake up feeling groggy and mistake that as a sign to stay in bed longer. But here's the truth. Movement creates energy. Push-ups, jump squats, cold shower. Something to jolt your system before your brain can convince you to be lazy. Because when you move, you force your body to wake up. And suddenly, you're in control, not your excuses. But waking up and moving is just part of the equation. Now, you need to protect your focus, which is where step 4 comes in. Control your inputs. Your brain is most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. And yet, most people spend that time drowning in social media, emails, and notifications. Your morning should be your time, not the world's time. Because if the first thing you do is check your phone, you're training your brain to react to distractions instead of focusing on what matters. Instead, replace this habit with something that builds you up. Read, journal, or meditate. Control your inputs, and you'll control your life. Now that you've cut out distractions, it's time for the final and most powerful step. Step 5, dominate your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and disconnected from distractions, it's time to set the tone for the day. Your first hour is your launch pad. Here's how to make it count. Review your goals. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Engage in deep work. Tackle your most important task first. Hydrate and fuel up. Drink water, eat something nourishing. Set an intention. Decide how you want to show up today. Each of these steps stacks on top of the previous ones. Win the first hour, and you'll win the rest of the day. Most people won't do this. They'll listen, they'll nod, and then they'll go back to their old habits. But you're not most people. If you've watched this far, you already know the truth. The way you start your morning shapes the course of your entire life. So the question is, are you gonna keep hitting snooze on your potential? Or are you finally gonna wake up and take control? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about leveling up, hit that subscribe button. Because the next video is about to take your mindset to another level. And in the meantime, keep growing every day.